Here is another exceptional diesel pusher brought to you by Motorhome Finders. Prepare to experience the pinnacle of luxury and thoughtful design with this beautifully appointed 2021 Newmar Ventana 3407. This coach delivers the perfect balance of comfort, drivability, and high-end finishes, making it an ideal choice for owners who desire diesel pusher luxury without the larger footprint. With meticulous maintenance and sought-after upgrades, this Ventana stands out in both its condition and capabilities. Built on the upgraded Spartan chassis with the 360 horsepower Cummins diesel engine and featuring Newmar's exclusive Comfort Drive steering, this coach offers confident handling, a remarkably smooth ride quality, and Newmar's signature quiet, residential feel interior. Long trips are noticeably easier and driver fatigue is reduced. Step inside and you're welcomed into an all-electric coach designed for continuous comfort. The residential-grade matte finish hardwood cabinetry in Newport glazed maple, with its mitered designer doors, showcases Newmar's renowned craftsmanship. You'll appreciate the durable and easy-to-clean polished solid surface countertops and an undermount stainless sink in the kitchen. The tile flooring extends throughout the living area, kitchen, and bath, ensuring easy upkeep and long-term durability. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, meticulously designed for both functionality and elegance. It features a residential refrigerator, an induction cooktop for precise temperature control, a convection microwave for versatile cooking options, ensuring every meal prepared on the road feels like a five-star dining experience. Rich wood cabinetry provides ample storage, while the solid surface countertops offer a beautiful and durable workspace, making meal preparation a joy rather than a chore. When it's time to unwind, the private master suite awaits, a true sanctuary on wheels. Here you'll find a comfortable king-size bed with a Sleep Number Premier air mattress, adjustable comfort for personalized sleep quality. The master bedroom offers generous wardrobe space, ensuring all your belongings have a designated place, keeping your living area clutter-free. For added convenience, a Splendid stacked washer and dryer are on board, making extended trips a breeze by allowing you to keep up with laundry on the go. The spacious bathroom provides ample room and includes a large shower, giving you the feel of a home spa. Outside, the coach boasts Newmar's industry-leading full-paint masterpiece finish with clear coat, providing superior exterior protection and gloss. This all-electric coach eliminates propane, providing continuous hot water and even heating throughout the coach with its hydronic heat system. Fantastic fan vents with rain sensors offer automatic closure and excellent ventilation. Newmar's typical insulation and build quality, including undercoating and thermal panel construction, ensure quieter travel and better temperature control. For technology, entertainment, and connectivity, this Ventana is well equipped. The OmniView NS360 camera system offers a bird's-eye 360-degree view for safer maneuvering. Enjoy better over-the-air channel reception with a WineGuard Razor automatic HD antenna and improved connectivity on the road with a Wi-Fi SkyPro LTE router. For outdoor entertainment, an exterior 43-inch LED TV is perfectly placed under the awnings. Convenience features include a rear ladder for easy roof access, chrome power baggage locks for secure basement storage, and recessed fuel fills on both sides for easier fueling at any station. A hot water line to the generator is a Newmar upgrade for maintenance in cold climates, and a holding tank heat pad adds freeze protection for extended season travel. Additional upgrades include solar prep with 6-gauge wiring for easy expansion of off-grid capability, a surge-protected transfer switch to guard against inconsistent power sources, and an in-bedroom safe for secure storage of valuable. This 2021 Newmar Ventana 3407 is an incredible opportunity to own a meticulously maintained, low-mileage diesel pusher that offers all the luxury and innovation Newmar is celebrated for, making it perfect for discerning travelers seeking comfort, performance, and long-term value. To see the full listing, including the MSRP, detailed specifications, and a complete photo gallery, please click the link below.